Tom Tokalish.
My mum and my brother John would be the main two that run the farm, and anytime that I am here, before trainings during the week or at the weekend, I'd always give a hand, whether that be milking cows, throwing in silage, or even just going down to get the cows up to milk. I'd always give a hand, yeah.
We are building just down the road from Tom's mum. Very exciting to have a place that we can call our home.
They'll have everything they need and very close to me, maybe too close.
Tá Tom agus Michelle ag gulabhú dá manis. Ach farir, bei duine nach mé a láthir. Ahar Tom Stafford.
Tom just found a lump in May, and he was to remove the lump maybe 3 weeks later. And then they gave us the news they had mantle cell lymphoma. So at the time they said it was not curable, but that normally somebody that would be strong like him, because he was a big strong man, that he would get 2 to 5 years out of it. Was a normal. So Tom just barely got 2 years.
Never been a moment you were forgotten.
He fought it through and through, never changed his character, still the bubbly person that we all knew, that we all loved, and it was very, very hard for all of us to see a man that was so physically strong, such a beautiful character, to be in so much pain.
You know, you would think there was another 20 years there, but that's it. Wasn't to be.
I hear your
Tom's dad was a true GA man, out and out, so he would definitely love the fact that Tom was involved in this, and he would definitely be there supporting him on the line.
A couple of years ago in the club, we had a coach, and when he spoke about, what is your why? If you really know what your why is, you perform to the best of your ability. And it wasn't until Daddy passed away and until my son Tommy was born that I understood that my father was a huge why all my life.
Le Hullabhú Chándon lá mór agus na Underdogs fi lán choil. Tá Tom a grúachá san ish.
My honeymoon is currently clashing with the match. We are currently obviously trying to fund our wedding. We have a house that we're trying to kind of self-build at the moment as well. The cost of changing the date of the actual honeymoon, we just don't have that disposable income at hand at the moment, which is absolutely devastating.
Well, I think Thomas is really heartbroken, and I'm actually heartbroken for him, because I know he's so looking forward to it and he's so enjoying the experience.
I wish the guys all the best, and I know from what I've seen over the last number of months that they can do the job.
Underdogs, Iborts le Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.